In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link docs to tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform designed to help you manage tasks, documents, and projects all in one place. If you're looking to enhance your workflow by connecting important documents directly to your tasks, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step through the process, making it simple and straightforward so you can focus on what matters most, getting things done. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using your preferred method, whether that's with your email address or a connected provider like Google. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your workspace homepage. Now, take a moment to locate the Spaces section. This can be found in the main navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen. Spaces are where your tasks and projects are grouped, so select the space that contains the task you want to link with a document. Next, navigate to the specific list that holds the task you're working on. Lists are where all the individual tasks within a space are organized. Once you've located the task, look to the far right side of the task area. You'll see a plus button. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Link Docs. This will open a search bar and a selection panel where you can browse for the document you want to connect. Use the search bar to quickly find your doc or scroll through the options if you prefer. It's important to double-check that the document you choose is from the correct workspace or folder. Once you've found the right document, select it to create the connection. When done correctly, the linked document will appear under the task details in either the Docs or Related section. If you need to view the document while working, you can open it in a new tab by clicking on the link. And if for any reason your document doesn't appear in the search results, double-check your access permissions to ensure you have the right level of access and that you're searching in the correct location. And that's it. You've successfully linked a document to a task in ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a registration link in the description below to get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.